Ask yourself what you can still contribute to the society on which you depend. With the knowledge you have gained, you can certainly be more useful to others than people who have not lived so long. Talk about your life with your family and your loved ones and share your experiences with them. If you enjoy being with your grandchildren, communicate some of your understanding as you are looking after them and help to educate them. Above all, do not end up like those old people who complain and quarrel all day long. Do not waste your energy in that way. Nobody will like you, and old age will become a real tribulation.